Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to start lesson number 3. Was it a dream? Now, open your books, page number 22. What you can see: fishing rod, bait, hook, bobber. Now, what are these things? These are the things used to catch fish. Now, this story is also about fishes and a boy named Frank catching fish and her sister Rita. Now, let's see what happens with them. Rita gathered flowers in the woods while her brother Frank sat by the stream with his fishing rod. Now, what is going on? You can see Frank is sitting near the stream with a fishing rod while Rita is gathering flowers. Holding her bunch of flowers, she walked to the place where Frank was sitting. She came to Frank. Do stop fishing for a while and play with me, Frank. Aren't you tired of still sitting? Rita asked, leaning against the tree beside him. Now, what Rita said? Please stop doing this and play with me for a while. I want to catch some fish, and to do that, I must sit still, answered her brother. Now, what did he say? I want to catch fish, and for that, I have to sit here for a long time. Rita knew she must wait for a long time, so she lay down near the stream and watched the swiftly flowing water. After some time, she began to feel drowsy. Now, what happened? Rita thought that I have to wait for a long time till Frank catches fish. So, by the time she laid down near the stream and started looking at the water of the stream, which was moving very quickly. After some time, she began to feel drowsy. After some time, she began to feel sleepy. After a little while, water became so clear that she could see right through it. Now you can see in the image, right? Rita is sleeping and she can see the water so clear. Soon it became as clear as glass. Now how it became as clear as glass? Rita could see the bottom of the stream and a school of fish swimming about quickly. Now what do you mean by school of fish? Many fishes together are known as school of fish. Now she can even see the fishes swimming. Then she heard little voices coming up from the water. Now what she heard? She heard little voices coming up from the water. My son, said the largest fish to one of the smallest one, that is a trap. I have seen many poor fish try to swallow that worm, but inside the worm there is a hook that will catch you and you will not be able to escape. So what the mother fish is telling? That don't eat that worm. There is a hook inside it, and many fishes who try to eat it are trapped and they cannot run away. Then the boy at the top will pull you up and take you away. What she is telling? The boy at the top will pull you and take you away. But mother cried, the little fish, I want to have just one bite. I am sure that it will not harm me. What did the son say? He said that, but mother, I just want to have one bite. I am sure it will not harm me. Now he is not obeying his mother. Rita wanted to call out and tell him that his mother was right, but she was not sure if they would be able to hear her. Now Rita wanted to call the boy fish and tell him that his mother is telling right, but she thought that her voice would not reach the fish. For a few minutes there was silence in the water. Then suddenly the little fish moved forward and tried to swallow the worm. Now what happened? The little fish, you can see in the image, it is trying to swallow the worm. The next moment he was caught in the hook. His mother swam towards him immediately. Now he got trapped in the hook. Come and help, she called in a worried voice. Now she is calling all other fishes to come and help. All the other fishes surrounded the line and some caught hold of the little fish tail and held on. Rita got very excited and jumped up from the bank. Now what happened? All the fishes came and all together they are trying to free the little fish. Rita, I have got a splendid catch. Splendid means caught a very good fish. Now what Frank is saying, Rita, I have got a very good fish. The line is so heavy, I can hardly pull it in, exclaimed Frank loudly. Now what he's saying, there are many fishes because I am finding it hard to pull. Rita suddenly remembered where she was and realized that she must have fallen asleep. She walked slowly towards Frank, thinking about her strange dream. Now what happened? Rita was dreaming that, but in reality also same thing was happening. So she was thinking about her dream. She had only stood by him a minute when splash! The fishing rod flew out of his hand. The little fish jumped into the water and Frank fell on the grass with a big thump. Now what happened? Only a minute went, then a splash came. The fishing rod flew out of Frank's hand and the fish was free. And Frank fell on the grass with a big thump. What do you mean by thump? With a sound. Frank was not hurt and the sight was so funny that Rita started laughing heartily. Frank was not hurt means beside falling he was not hurt, but the sight was so funny that Rita started laughing. You are laughing, Frank said when he got up again. But that was the best fish I have ever caught. The splendid fish must have got off the hook. Now what Frank is saying, that was the best fish I have ever caught, but it got off the hook. Rita began to think quietly. Could her dream have been true? It really did seem strange, and although she felt sorry for Frank, she could not help feeling very pleased that the poor little fish had got away. Now what happened? Now Rita started thinking that did her dream came true? See, this is the title of our lesson. Was it a dream? Means Rita cannot recognize that how can a dream come true? The thing that she saw in the dream was really happening in the real. Okay everyone, hope you all understood, and if you have any problem or any doubt you can ask me, right? Bye everybody, take care.